Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Bit of a meagre update. So it's been a few weeks since I had all that problem with the temperature sensor and the gauge. Oh, look at the old girl. Lovely. And we got it sorted. So, as you remember in the last video, I had an issue with my temperature gauge.
Oh,
we don't want to listen to that. So we swapped both coolant sensors, which actually has sorted a bit of the running issues with this, so I assume the ECU sensor was a little bit duff. Refit, checked the car, gauge didn't work. Moved the clocks, checked the clocks, still didn't work. And I plugged it in with the auto. Both sensors were reading, so I assumed the gauge was duff. It took me a while to find a set of clocks, and I have managed to actually get a set out of an ex-police Amiga, so it's got a calibrated speedo. Lovely. And it works. So that was great. So this is just a little update today on that, part 2. I'm going to take it for the drive now. I've got to go to the shops and pick some stuff up. When we get there, I'll show the temperature gauge and a few other little bits I've managed to do while I've been here. So yeah, see you in a bit. Well, it is good news. As I said, took it for the drive. Look at that. Perfect. So, as I said, we ended up doing the sensors, which caused a running issue. We diagnostic checked it to make sure the sensors were working. They were. I sourced a new set of clocks. Mileage is correct. And it's fully fixed. So while I was there, and the car was off the road for a couple of days, well, it took me a couple of weeks to do the job, but it was off for a couple of days. I also managed to sort all this out, which you would have seen on one of the shorts on the channel. So cleaned up all this. New Prindle, new gaiter. It looks absolutely lovely. So this was only a quick video. So like and subscribe. Part 1 video up there. And see you again soon. Ta-ra.